Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell the solutions of exercise 11.1 from constructions chapter from NCERT class 9. This is fourth problem. Construct the following angles and verify with a protractor. So the first one is 75 degrees. To construct 75 degrees, we know that 75 degrees we can write as 90 minus 15 degrees. So first construct 75 degrees, you have to construct 90 degrees. To construct 90 degrees, first construct 60 degrees and then again 16 degrees. We know this. So first draw a ray OA and with center O with some radius, draw an arc which intersects the ray at the point P, and then you have to take P as center and draw an arc with the same radius R and which intersects at the point Q, and with the same radius Q as center, draw another arc which intersects at the point R. Then this angle is 60 degrees and this angle is 60 degrees. Then here this is 60 degrees and we have to bisect this 60 degrees. So you have to draw a bisector here. So for that you have to take R and Q as centers and draw two arcs with the radius which is more than half of RQ. So this intersection point is S. Then join O and S. This is the bisector of this angle ROQ. So this angle is 30 degrees. So the total here angle SOP is equal to 90 degrees. But the required angle here is 75 degrees. So you have to bisect this angle, 30 degrees angle, then you will get 15 degrees. So 15 plus 60 is 75 or 90 minus 15 is 75. So for that you have to bisect this angle SOQ or angle TOQ. This point is intersection point is T. So you have to bisect this angle TOQ. For that you have to take T and Q as centers and draw two arcs with the radius which is more than half of TQ. Then you will get an intersection point, that is U. Then join O and U and extend this line. Then you will get an angle 75 degrees. Angle UOP here is 75 degrees. Next one is to construct 105 degrees. 105 degrees is equal to 90 degrees plus 15 degrees. So first construct 90 degrees. For that you have to draw a ray OA and take O as center with some radius R. Draw an arc which intersects the ray at the point P. Then take P as center with the same radius R. Draw another arc which intersects at the point Q and take Q as center with the same radius. Draw another arc which intersects the same arc at the point R. This is 60 degrees and this is 60 degrees angle. You have to construct 90 degrees first. So for that you have to bisect this angle. You have to bisect this angle. So take R and Q as centers with the radius which is more than half of RQ. Draw two arcs and these two arcs intersect at a point S. Then join O and S, then extend this line. This is a bisector of this angle. So this angle is 30 degrees and angle SOP here is 90 degrees. 30 plus 60 is 90 degrees, but we have to construct 105 degrees. So you have to bisect this angle, this 30 degrees angle. Then you will get 15 degrees. Then 90 plus 15 is 105 degrees. So for that you have to draw a bisector between these two points R and T. So you have to take R and T as centers and draw two arcs with the radius which is more than half of RT. Then you will get an intersection point U. Then join O and U. This is the bisector of this angle ROT. So this angle now is 15 degrees. So 15 plus 90 is 105 degrees. Therefore, angle UOP is equal to 105 degrees. To construct 135 degrees you can write as 90 degrees plus 45 degrees. So first construct 90 degrees, then again 90 degrees, then bisect that angle, then you will get 45 degrees. So to construct 90 degrees, first draw a ray OA and take O as center with some radius. Draw an arc which intersects the ray at the point P. Then P as center, draw another arc with the same radius that intersect at the point Q. Then Q as center with the same radius, draw another arc which intersects at the point R. Then you have to bisect this angle ROQ. So draw bisector for this angle. So for that you have to take R and Q as centers with the radius which is more than half of RQ and draw two arcs. Then the intersection point here is S. Then join O and S, then extend this line. Then you will get 90 degrees angle here. Now extend this line on left side and extend this arc. Then you will get an intersection point U and this is 90 degrees and this is a straight line, so this angle is also 90 degrees. So you have to bisect this 90 degrees, then you will get 45 degrees here, and this is already 90 degrees, so 90 plus 45 is 135 degrees. For that you have to bisect this angle. So construct bisector here. So for that you have to take U and T as centers, draw two arcs with the radius which is more than half of UT, then you will get an intersection point V. Then you join O and V and extend this line, then you will get this angle VOP is equal to 45 plus 90, that is 135 degrees. Now please do this worksheet. And here are the answers.